Alright y'all, I'm going to show you how to make this buffalo chicken tater tot hot dish. We're going to start with about a half a block of cream cheese. Just going to throw that in a mixing bowl. This is softened cream cheese. We got 1 full can of cream of chicken soup, 1 cup of diced up rotisserie chicken, 1 cup of shredded Mexican cheese, and about a half a bag here of the tater tots. Save the other half for later. Then we're going to add about a cup of Frank's Red Hot sauce and about a half cup to a cup of ranch. This is up to you how much you want to add. Add as much or as little as you like. Then we're just going to mix these all up. So yes, these tater tots are frozen in here, but they will cook through when we put this in the pizza oven. Make sure it gets all mixed all the way through. Get that cream cheese all mixed up. Then we're ready to pour this into our deep dish pan for the Blackstone pizza oven. We're going to spread that all around. Make sure you're making a nice thin, even layer in here that goes all the way from one corner to the other. Kind of flatten it out. Make sure those tater tots are kind of squished down in there. Once we get that all done, we're going to sprinkle it with a little bit more of that shredded cheese. Maybe about a 1/4 cup more. You don't want to overdo it here. This is a good time for you to preheat your pizza oven, make sure it's ready to go. And then I'm going to put this nice layer of tater tots across the top. You can make little designs on here. I'm just kind of layer them in a nice row, making it look pretty. Yes, these are still frozen. They will cook through in the pizza oven. Once you've got your layer of tater tots across the top, this ended up using the whole bag of tater tots by the time we added those. I'm going to hit it with some cooking spray. You just want to add a little oil to the top to help get that fried crispy texture when you put it in the pizza oven. Then I'm going to go ahead and put it in that pizza oven. I've got it set kind of on low. We want it at about 350 degrees in there. And we're going to let that go for about 20-25 minutes until you see those tater tots start to turn golden brown and you start to see that cheese bubbling up underneath them. See how that's all bubbling there? You know, got that nice crispy layer of tater tots on top. Then that's it. You just kind of serve it up, scoop it up out of there with a spatula, serve this right up. It's really delicious, guys. It's one of the best things I've made in the pizza oven. It's super easy to make. It's going to be a crowd favorite. You should make it for your next party. Make it for dinner one night. Your kids would love it. What's not to love here, guys? Make sure you give this a try. Let me know if you do. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.